Hey guys, in today's video I'll be addressing common skincare mistake that you're making that is preventing you from enjoying a beautiful, healthy, glowing skin. Hello to my skincare lovers. If you're seeing my beautiful face for the very first time, my name is Elo, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch yet another video from me. And if you've been watching my video and you're not yet subscribed, kindly click on the red subscribe button. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell, as this will get you notified once I drop a new content. And if you end up enjoying today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any question for me, kindly drop it down below, because I'll be down there reading all your comments. The first skincare mistake you are making is using the wrong active for your skin type. Even as much as active is almost necessary to include in your skincare routine, using the wrong active can actually put all the hard work into drain. That's why you need to choose the right active for your skin type. Then when it comes to active, we have the AHA and the BHA. AHA simply means alpha hydroxy acid. Alpha hydroxy acid includes lactic acid, glycolic acid, mandelic acid, citric acid. While the BHA is beta hydroxy acid, which is the common one, which is salicylic acid. Basically, they are just chemical exfoliants. It helps to renew the skin. Don't get me wrong, skin can actually renew itself, but that slows down with age. That is when your AHA and your BHA comes in handy. Now, the question is, how do I choose the right active for my skin type? Oily skin, BHA. Dry to combination, AHA. Acne, BHA. Pigmentation, dehydration, AHA. When it comes to AHA, we have the lactic acid. Lactic acid is very gentle and it works on dark spots, pigmentation and dehydrated skin. Very effective for someone that has sensitive skin. Another one is glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is actually very, very strong, and it works very well on pigmentation, wrinkles, fine line, and dry skin. But it is very, very tricky to use because it is more, would I say, aggressive. So I do not recommend you using glycolic acid if you have a sensitive skin. If you have a sensitive skin, lactic acid is your guy. While if you have oily skin, acne, whitehead, blackheads, salicylic acid is your guy. Even as much as these two acids, BHA is recommended for someone with oily skin and AHA is recommended for someone with dry to combination. You can actually use these two products together, but how to use it? Some nights you can use your AHA and some nights you can use your BHA. Do not use it together. And some nights you just have to top up with your moisturizing face wash or moisturizer. The second skincare mistake you are making is not applying your sunscreen or not reapplying your sunscreen. Sunscreen is the foundation of skincare because it helps other products work, and the benefits you're going to get while using your sunscreen is that it's going to prevent premature aging, which is characterized by fine lines, wrinkle, prevents pigmentation on your skin, and also prevents you from developing cancer, sunburn. So it is very, very ideal when it comes to skincare. And of course, it will also help you to see the effect of other products you're applying on your skin to work. Sunscreen reapplication, an ever confusing topic. I want to let you know that sunscreen degrades faster with direct contact with sunlight and sweat. And this is when it's practical for you to apply your sunscreen every 2 hours post swimming, strenuous exercise, you're at the beach, you need to apply your sunscreen every 2 hours. If you're working from home or you have any activity within the house, I will encourage you to apply your sunscreen in the morning and repeat every 4 to 5 hours. But if you are out and about the whole day and you have blemishes, eczema, I encourage you to apply your sunscreen every 4 hours. My practical time is 8 a.m., 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. How to apply this sunscreen? If you are not wearing your makeup, what you just need to do is just to do your 2 to 3 finger rules. Apply it everywhere, your neck, don't forget in your ear. But if you're wearing your makeup on, go and get your spray, sunscreen, stick sunscreen, powder sunscreen, or your good old blender. Dab with your good old blender and you're good to go. The third skincare mistake they say is applying your skincare products close to bedtime. The ideal time should be 1 to 2 hours. But as a mom of 3, of someone with a busy schedule, like for people that are living in Lagos City, Lagos is very busy. One of my friends always tell me that she comes back home around 11 p.m. So how do you expect someone to still wait extra 1 to 2 hours before going to bed? But guys, I'm here with all the solution. I, as a new mom, it's very, very hard for me to even bathe 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. But this is what I do. If I apply my product close to bedtime, I just have to lay up. I don't lay on my stomach. So that way, my products cannot and will not rub on my pillow. And I'll be getting all the benefits the product is going to offer. I'm maintaining a beautiful glowing skin. The first skincare mistake you are making is not applying moisturizer. I get this a lot, especially from people that have oily to acne prone skin. They'll just be like, hello, I'm not applying anything on my skin because everything I apply on my skin gives me pimple. I want to let you know that even as someone that has oily and acne prone skin, there is a moisturizer for someone that has oily skin. So that shouldn't prevent you from not moisturizing your skin. I made a video on it when I talked about moisturizers and toner for oily skin. I'm going to leave the link on my description box. So after watching this video, kindly check it out so you can find the right moisturizer for your skin type. Just know that if you're not applying moisturizer, you are damaging your skin. You will not have a strong skin barrier. Remember, the goal shouldn't be acne-free skin, but a healthy barrier. You should be applying your moisturizer even though you have oily skin, because not applying your moisturizer can lead you to having an extreme oily skin or extreme dry skin, and both of it is not good. You know, it can lead you to having acne, more acne, or blemishes on your skin. So girl, you need to go and get your moisturizer because it is very, very important to keep your skin hydrated and in check. Another one is DIY, do it yourself. I'm not against it. And one of the popular one is lemon and glycerin concoction. I've been a victim of this. I want to let you know that lemon is actually very, very harsh to be used on your face. And instead of promoting a radiant skin, you are left with a damaged skin. The normal pH skin or normal pH is actually 5. So anything you're applying on your skin, be it kitchen ingredients, your serum, your cream, should be within that pH level. Anything too acidic or too alkaline is damaging your skin barrier. The second one is using coffee as a scrub. I've heard this a lot. Like, what is the benefit? You are not going to get any benefit from using coffee as a scrub. You are only causing micro tears and damaging your skin barrier. So if you're someone like that, please go and check my video on how to choose the right exfoliants for your skin type, and I'll be leaving the link on my description box. So after watching this video, remember to also watch the video so you can choose the right body scrub or facial exfoliant, whatever, for your skin type that will promote a flawless, beautiful skin. If you're someone that is using coffee as a scrub, stop you right now, because you're not getting any benefit from doing it. Rather, you are damaging your skin, causing micro tears, and at the end of the day, you are left with blemishes and dark spots. Another one I've heard, I was actually surprised, is people using cinnamon to cure their acne and dark marks. Yes, I understand that cinnamon has antifungal and an anti-inflammatory property, but cinnamon can be very, very harsh. I've seen a lot of people develop skin burn just from using cinnamon. So it is actually allergic to be used on the skin. So if you have dark spots, I have already dropped a content on it. I'm still going to leave the link on how to treat your blemishes on your body or your face. Please stop using your cinnamon as the sixth skincare mistake you are making is over exfoliation. I'm a huge fan. I love to exfoliate my skin because of its numerous benefits. Exfoliation helps to renew the skin, because don't get me wrong, skin has the capability to renew itself, but that actually slows down with age, and this is when exfoliation comes in handy. But when you over exfoliate your skin, it can lead to extreme dryness, irritation, and blemishes. So if you have already made the mistake of over exfoliating your skin, I know you'll be wondering, hello, what am I going to do? The obvious remedy to it is stop exfoliating your skin for at least 4 weeks for your skin to come back to its normal state. Then you exfoliate 2 times or once a week. If you are someone with a very sensitive skin, exfoliate once a week, and you will get that radiant, flawless skin that will help your body lotion and your body serum to work better. Derma versus facial shaving. If you use the normal facial razor, Normal facial razor, you'll be thinking that you are dermablading your skin. Dermablading is done by professionals and it has a whole lot of benefits that I can't even wait to get mine, because it will help your product to penetrate better, renew your skin, give you that glass flawless skin, especially if you're having blemishes on your skin. If you dermablade, it will help your skincare products work better. But when it comes to facial shaving, you are only removing hair from your skin. It's not going to help your product to penetrate into your skin. You're just shaving off the hairs. Most mistake obviously people are making while shaving their skin. One of the core mistake people make is shaving on a dry skin. Shaving every day and shaving before exfoliation. If you are making use of facial razor, one, wash your face. After washing your face, if you want to exfoliate your skin, exfoliate first, then allow your face to dry. Then next you go with your either your aloe vera. Yes, I'm recommending aloe vera gel. This is the type of aloe vera gel I will recommend. Then you shave it off. Never shave on a dry skin, and never use shave then you now exfoliating your skin, because the shaving has already done the removing of dead skin cell. So this is basically what you do. And also remember, it's a baby skin, so always protect it with sunscreen, and most importantly, moisturize afterwards. Then the next skincare mistake you are making is using expired products. And when I started writing about this, I had to remember, hello, you have this facial masks I bought for over 2 years. I've never even checked the expiring date. But the core thing is, if your product smells funny, or you can't remember when you got your product, or it has changed in color, or it has separated, toss it in the bin. It has already expired, because most people use expired products. You're not going to get any benefits from it, and you can even cause skin disease for yourself. Who knows? So always make sure that when you are buying a product, or when you have a product in your skincare shelf, always remember to check out the expiring date. It is very, very important. The next skincare mistake you are making is using harsh facial cleanser. Even as much as when you use harsh facial cleanser, you'll be noticing the burn or tickling effect. That doesn't mean the facial cleanser is effective. There are a lot of facial cleansers in the market. I keep telling people, listen to your skin. If your skin says this facial cleanser is good for you, no matter the brand, let it be CeraVe brand, Simple brand, or the renowned brand. If you buy a product and it starts giving you rashes, if you notice redness or itching on your skin, just know that the product is very, very harsh. One of the most common facial cleansers also people always use, especially for people that treat acne and pigmentation, it is kojic acid. Most people talk about, yes, I use kojic acid. I was using kojic acid because I gave birth a few weeks ago. I was looking the fastest way to actually get rid of my pregnancy pigmentation and blemishes, and that was when I fell prey to kojic acid. I'm not against kojic acid. I love kojic acid, and right now I'm using kojic acid to bathe. The original kojic acid. Now I promise I'm going to actually share the fake one and the original one. That is not what today's topic is all about. But if you're making use of kojic acid, one, check if you have sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, kojic acid soap is a no-no for you. Go get another product to use. Then, you have to rub it in your hands, activate it, rub it on your face, and you wash it off immediately. If facial cleanser you use, make sure it's not harsh for you. And if you are reacting, please toss it in the bin. Another one, I think this is the 10th one that I've not been counting, is one of the mistakes, and I was making this mistake. So I found out that it is actually wrong for you to use towel to wipe your face. I remember then when I started my skincare, I said, okay, you just have to get another towel that is separate from the one you use on your body. Using towel, it is a no-no. This is our skin, the skin on the face. It is a baby skin. It's very, very sensitive. That's why when you start aging, it tells from your face, then your hands. That's why most people that don't even care how their body looks, they're always very, very particular about their face. Because when you start developing fine lines, you start seeing it from the corners of your eyes, then from your face down to your neck. That's why you need to pamper this face. The skin on our body is actually different from the one on the face. Face is very, very sensitive. So please don't use a towel on your face. I would not even encourage you to use wipe. What I do that has been working for me, and I've been seeing it, and I'm like, oh, hello. Skin is so beautiful. Or not using anything on my face, I just allow it to dry. So guys, I've come to the end of this today's topic. If you enjoyed this video, you have watched it to this very moment, kindly click on the red subscribe button. If you have not joined the wonderful community here, click on the red subscribe button. But if you have already or ever clicked on the red subscribe button, you don't need to click again. Also remember to like. If you have any content you want me to share, kindly drop it down below. And if you have any question for me, just feel free, drop it down below. I'll be down there reading all your comments. I always say, start your skincare journey from inside. Don't ignore what you eat, because even though it sounds cliche, you are still what you eat. So we see you next time. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your fruit and vegetable, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.